Hi, welcome to Maree P. I've got 2 oranges, and if you have watched any of my other videos, I love citrus cake. I want to share with you one of my favorite cakes, my orange and almond cake, or known as a flourless orange cake. Yeah, that's right. No flour, no wheat. So come and watch my super simple orange and almond cake, and I'm sure you'll love it. So yes, this is one of my all-time favorite cakes because it's so simple to make. So first step is we've got 6 eggs that we just pop into our mixer. And we've got 2 oranges. So I boiled my 2 oranges for an hour with some water on top of the stove, and then I let them cool, chopped them up, and then I pureed them in my blender until they looked like this. So that's great to do the day before. So I'm going to add all of the oranges. So we just mix that around until it's combined. So before we go any further, we need to preheat the oven. I have a fan forced oven, so I'm going to pop it on 170. I've got 225 grams of caster sugar. So we just pop that in. It's humid here in London at the moment, so the caster sugar is sticking to the bottom of the bowl. And then we've got our 250 grams of ground almonds or almond meal. And then we've got 1 teaspoon of baking powder. We mix until it's combined on low, otherwise it goes flying. And in the meantime, I've prepared my tin. So I like doing a scrunched paper method. So I wet my paper and scrunch it in so it can just go into the corners. And we're popping some foil on the base, just in case, for whatever reason, the cake leaks. And this is a 23 centimetre springform tin. That's it, that's combined. Now we just scrape everything down. Make sure everything is mixed when you're scraping it. Otherwise, just whiz it around for another few minutes. But this is looking pretty good. Yeah, let's get that off. Just make sure the batter is all smooth on top. So the next step is we're going to pop it in our oven for roughly 45 minutes, and we'll check it with a skewer. So we have our orange and almond cake out of the oven, and it's still quite warm. I've just peeled the paper back, but I don't want to take it off until it's completely cool because it might crack. Okay, here we have our delicious moist almond and orange cake, and I'm going to do a taste test. I've just sprinkled it with a little bit of icing sugar. It's quite a dense cake, but I love the moist texture of the almonds and the orange, and reminds me of Italy. And it's delicious served with ice cream, but I'll have that later. So let me know in the comments below if you give this simple recipe a go and how it turns out. See you next time. Thank you for watching. If you've liked my video today, share it with a friend, hit the like button, the thumbs up, write a comment below, and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. And don't forget, hit the bell, and then you get notified as soon as I have a new video. I'll see you next time. Bye.